कळंगूटचे टिटोज फाउंडेशनान थळाव्यां खातीर फ्री हेल्थ कॅम्पाचें आयोजन केल्लें. कॅम्पाक लोकांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो म्हूण फाउंडेशनाचे रिकी डिसोजान सांगलें.
Hi everybody, welcome to TITO'S Foundation organized health camp and happy Liberation Day to all of you at home. Today we've got 5 disciplines of doctors in here. We're trying to bring some of the old people from Calangute to come and check whether they're healthy.
And as you know, health is the most important wealth for all the individuals. So all the people from Calangute have come to avail this benefit of the health camp which we have organized.
The other departments which are there are neurosurgery, orthopedic, eye department is there, general medicine is there. Vision Hospital, we provide 24/7 trauma services, emergency services which are provided to all the people.